Outside the storage shed, the excursion coaches were being polished off. The engines all gossiped about who was supposed to take this special train. It's obviously gonna be me. No, you're too fat and ugly for those coaches. It's bound to be me. It's probably one of the oldest, smaller engines. All the engines were surprised when they found out who was really taking the train. Fergus was simmering with excitement. I don't get many visitors, he was saying to Winston the morning before his special. Oh, I just hope everything goes alright. It's bound to go fine. Stop being so nervous. Easier said than done, old fella. You're gonna do it right no matter what, so what's the worry? Chuckled Winston. This made Fergus feel much better. Fergus arrived at the platform to find the special visitors already there. He was surprised by how many people there were. Preposterous! All the people are here to see that. James, be polite. The guard's whistle blew and James snorted away. Edward spoke kindly to Fergus. Take no mind of that hothead. You deserve the attention. I'm sure your run will go without a hitch. Fergus whistled up politely to Edward as he got underway. The run was going splendidly until they reached the station near the ironworks. The front coach suddenly shouted with pain. Oh, I'm running a hot box! The train came to a stop in the middle of the town. Great! We're never going to get there on time now. The driver scratched his head. Any ideas? Not at the moment. Then Fergus spotted a water tower at the factory down the line. If you run and get some cold water, we can throw it on the hot box until it's cool enough to slip oil onto. Brilliant idea, old boy. The driver quickly grabbed some water and splashed it all over the coach's hot axle box. It cooled down at once and the guards applied some oil. Soon the train got underway once more. They arrived at the station and turned around. The coaches were too large to slip in the back way, so Fergus had to take them the front. The visitors had a lovely time. One of them was rather large and wearing a top hat. Hello, Fergus. Very smart maneuver you thought of back there. Well, thank you, sir. Who might you be? I'm Sir Topham Hatt. My engines call me the Fat Director. Oh my, I'm sorry. It's a pleasure to meet you, sir. A pleasure to meet you too, Fergus. With a tip of his hat, the Fat Director left to return to the group. They enjoyed the rest of the day at the workings, and Fergus returned them home to the big station that evening. When Fergus arrived back at his home, he was thinking about the day's events. He happily drifted off to sleep that night.